Hi guys, good evening. So, for today's video kay mga unta no kay mga unta ninyo. So, manihapon ta. So, muna niya akong sudan no daghan kayo pansit o isda nga prito nga bilong-bilong. So, muna akong sudan kami nga para sa panihapon. Kay nag-crave magutag pansit ang isda no ambot weird kaayo isda o pansit. Pero mao atong gi-crave so itong kaunon. Sa mga unta ninyo. So nasa dag ko yung rice nga gamay. Gamay rin akong rice kay ang kuan man god. Ang pansit kay kuan na maguni siya no. Pwede na ni siya ikuan. So kasagaran gid magpansit hindi ko muka og rice kaso karon muka na ko rice kaya kuntir mangitag rice. Sa mga unta ninyo. Na tong bilong-bilong. Ano kayong pansit? Lugi na kayong huwak na kakog pansit mo. Nagkuan siya pansit to din. Nagluto siya ko. Niya akong sagot para sa isda. Word combination but okay ra.
This is super major crime. All my secret recipes is in here. Secret? Secret? Where you read about come from?
Ngaon din may nalami salida nga. Hawaii 5 o kanang karaan na.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah. I just need to get her back to the morgue. Hey, what's up?
Lami mo tayo paksiyon ang bilong-bilong mo nga. Ano ako mga ison pwede mga on. Ako rin mukha on. Sila dili. So ako lang giprito para kaming tanan nakakaon.
But if you can tell me anything you remember, anything she might have mentioned, it would be really helpful.
She got a phone call right before she left for work. That she was leaving.
I'm not sure.
Ako rin nag-try sa kong palit kay wa. Pansit rin ikaw.
Hey guys, I got something. Looks like our thing was being followed. On a GPS tracking device under the car. Kalatoa, misdemeanor possession charge. Last year, it looks like his ex-girlfriend took out a restraining order against him after he broke into her apartment following an argument.
Good. Was the connection to a victim Angela O'Hara?
Here we go. They both worked at Monaco Camera.
Listen to me. Don't move. Sit down and don't move.
We need you to tell us why you were tracking Angela O'Hara.
I can explain. Good. Start why we found her body.
Anyway.
Field up on the North Shore.
That's it for today's video, for tonight's video no. Kaya ako sa nang enjoy ang akong kaon. So I hope na namin hapon na sad mo no kaya it's almost 6 o'clock.
You know, it was your GPS for somebody. I'm not saying it was
So,
you. I just want your help. Somebody.
have a good night guys and I hope everyone is doing well and bye. Don't forget to follow and share. Bye.